Very good afternoon to all. On the last day, fifth day of the presentation of semester 1, I, Trushali Dodia, are going to make a presentation on the development of English drama. I will mainly focus on the early stage of drama and then Elizabethan drama. These are my personal details. In this presentation, I am going to discuss the points: miracle plays, mystery plays, moral period of the drama, artistic period of the drama, decline of drama, and later development of drama in English. Let's begin with a definition of drama by Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Drama is a composition in verse or prose intended to portray life or character or tell a story, usually involving conflicts and emotions through action and dialogues, and typically designed for theatrical performances. So, drama is made to be acted, not made to be read. The word drama came in English in 16th century via Latin from Greek word dren, means do or act. According to William J. Long, the development of the drama in English can be classified into three main periods: religious period, the moral period, and the artistic period. So, what is the early stage of drama? So, in Europe, the drama was originated in religious. It was started by the religion activities. The first character is from New Testament of Christianity, and its major aim was to make service of church more impressive, and through this plays, try to give moral lessons out of that. In Roman Empire, church found stage possessed by corrupt plays, so it was forbidden by the church. So we can see here that the some corrupted plays came into being, and church suddenly banned this place, and we can compare it with boycott. That church has boycotted this kind of place. And later on, church itself provided this plays in the form of mystery and miracle plays. So now they get another form of mystery and miracle plays in English drama. So, what is miracle plays? Miracle and mystery plays both are included in the religious period of the drama. In this miracle plays, there is representation of lives of saints, which is originated in the Bible. We can't find that much record of this miracle plays. The only one record of this plays in English is the Ludus de Sancta Caterina in 1110, and there is also disputes about the authority of this play. Chief actors in miracle plays speak Latin and French, and the minor characters in this plays speak in English. So there is there in that period, Latin and French were considered as a high language, and English was a vernacular language, and that's why this differences was there. In 1300, it were out of ecclesiastical hand, means church has given it to the public and private organization, and later on, when some disputes happened, church itself started preaching against drama that was introduced by themselves, and later on it was replaced by the Elizabethan drama. In this picture, you can see that there is a mouth of hell, and in miracle plays, they used to put this before behind in the front of the theater, which was not that much proper, and it was made to show the it was made to show a kind of fear that if you will do such things, you will go to hell, and it was for fear, so that they can moralize that lessons. And then the another form, mystery plays. This mystery plays is seen was derived from the life of Christ and stories from the Old Testament with the coming of Messiah. It is divided into two classes: at Christmas, which in which birth of Christ related plays were made, and at Easter, and it was about his death and triumph and final judgment. There, when I was going through the book of William J. Long, I find a dispute that in William J. Long there was blunder of this two miracle and mystery plays. There was not classification, that much classification about, so I go for bidless the mystery plays. So from there I got this information. It was performed on various localities. It was not that in this place it should be performed, and it will be performed. It was performed on various localities, and the cycle, though it was performed on various localities, it has a kind of united single cycle. It will move like around. It begins with a creation and ends with a final judgment. uh, this place, mystery place, presented every spring on Corpus Christi Day, and at present four cycles of mystery plays exists: Chester, York, Townley, or it is known by another name, Wakefield, and then fourth, Coventry. Nowadays, York cycle is much more important than all three. There is a kind of touch of humor which was not there in Miracle Plays. In this mystery plays, there was no originality in plot was possible, because they was not providing them to present what is going on in the lives of people of England. So only variety was there in songs and jokes, and in the prank of the devil. Now that was a religious period, and our later on moral period of drama came, and in this period allegorical personages were used as characters, like virtues and vices. There was now move a step forward. England has given a free scope for imagination to them. And in this moral period of the drama, character of vice were introduced, which is quite similar to our modern clown and jester. It ended with a type of virtue and to punishment to the devil. So there is a kind of, if you will do a sin, you will get a punishment. It was like that structure. There was another form in this period was interludes, that it has same concept, but there was a kind of sense of humor in that. This everyman is has also known as mystery plays and moral period. There is also a kind of dispute, but majority it is considered in a morality plays. Then third artistic period, this period we can consider in the age of Elizabethan, when free scope of dramatic performances was given to playwrights. In this period, we can see that dramatists can represent human life as it is. In first play in English was Ralph Roister Doister by Nicholas Udall, which was mixture of classic and English. First domestic comedy was Gammer Gurton's. Sorry, it is Needle, but I by mistakenly wrote it Middle. Gammer Gurton's Needle. And the first tragedy was Gorboduc by Sackville and Norton, which was written in blank verse. The authority of Gammer Gurton's Needle is also has a dispute in it. So there is not a specific name. There are lots of dispute around this play. There were two schools of writing exist in this artistic period of the drama. First was the seven university wits, and another was two school wits, which was Thomas Sackville and Thomas Norton, who has written first tragedy in English, Gorboduc. Now, Elizabethan age was full of enthusiasm in drama. There was free spirit in literary activities. But later on, what happened? Some corrupted plays were Shakespeare was doing something, and his contemporary and his successors using that in a huge form. So it was having a kind of corrupt ideas. So the decline of drama begins with Johnson and continued with Beaumont Fletcher, Dekker, and Haywood, and many others. And according to Edward Albert's book, chief reasons of the fall of the drama is the narrowings of the ample of Shakespearean's motive, which comprises all mankind into theme of temporary, local, and fragmentary importance. So Shakespeare was giving importance to daily lives of people, while others were not doing that. They were doing exaggeration in it. So that's why this is the main cause of the fall of drama. There was a superficial improvisation in of the drama, earlier drama and drama of Shakespeare, and lack of creative power which earlier writers had. And the fourth and most important is vulgarity. After that temporary bend was in Puritan age, when Puritans came in power and all the theatrical activities were banned. But later on it was re appeared, and in Restoration era they give free scope to perform this theatrical performance. While considering this early period of the drama, we have to understand that in that time women were not playing role of women, it was played by men. So in our regional dramas we can see in Bhavai also, right now female characters are also played by men. There is not change, there is, we are not having in Gujarati the change of that female came into the perform the role of a man, sorry, women. So in the latter period of the drama, it is not so that after decline of the drama in Puritan age we got lost in drama. After restoration of King Charles, the playwright starts to write the dramas, and that was a very good sign of the development of drama in English literature. But we can see parallel that in neoclassical age we have a new classical imitation by the Victorian, sorry, neoclassical writers. But in neoclassical and Victorian period there is a dominance of novels, not plays. Yes, there are many plays written, but importance of important form of literary writing is novel, like Henry Fielding, Pope, Still, Samuel Johnson, Goldsmith, Charles Dickens. All are known for their novels, not for their plays. They have also tried their hand on dramas, but that was not quite popular. In the Romantic period, poetry was in dominant form. Scott, Coleridge, Byron, Shelley, Tennyson, Thackeray, and Browning all have also tried their hand to write dramas, plays, but they didn't succeed in writing dramas. They, because of the new Romantic spirit, they were writing poetry, and that was because of that reason poetry flourished well in this period. In the retrospect of drama, Henry Beers says that drama is not meant to be read but to acted. The drama can subsist without any dialogue at all, as in pantomime. Pantomime, we all know, where gesture is used. There is no dialogues at all in that. Everything is performed by gestures only and body movements. So. Uh, Beer says that there is to perform drama, there is no need of dialogue as such in this field. According to Brander Matthew, the skeleton of every play is a pantomime. That's what quotes Beers. So, pantomime is the basic fundamental idea of play. So this is the insight of the early period of the drama. In modern period we also see that in our in India, if we see that Gujarat especially, our dramatic actors are working in Ahmedabad. In Bhavnagar we are also not having that much interest and enthusiasm in drama performances. In Ahmedabad there is lots of theaters are working, and our actors are going out of Gujarat to Bombay to act, to perform dramas and to begin their careers. But in and all they are plunging into a field of TV serials and movies. So we many Gujarati actors like Dilip Joshi, Disha Vakani, and others well known are now in the field of TV serials, though they were earlier acted in dramas in Gujarat. So it is not in Gujarat, it is played everywhere. So the existence, we cannot say that drama is completely banished, because drama is still working. It is the good art, and people are still going to theaters to watch dramas, though after coming of TV serials, movies, web series, and all that, in people have less interest to watch drama, because that is too consuming, and it is very difficult to perform a drama rather than making a movie. No, no doubt that is important. We all have experienced that we made a video to post in YouTube, as a part of celebrating Teachers Day. But we all know that how much endeavor we have done. But that time we are not having not having audience. We don't have to face audience. So drama has always been a very difficult art in the sense. So I would like to conclude my presentation with the quote of Beers, which he gave in the same paper, the retrospects of the drama. The theater ended is not dead, it has continued to live and to flourish, and it flourishing entertainment to public today as it did 200 way 2,000 years ago. So he just want to tell that drama is not dead; it is still existing, and we all are getting fruits out of that. These are the works which I have cited in my presentation. Thank you.